I am Dr. Soni Kumari from ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. Today I will be taking sessions on while loop that is part of Unit 2. So let's start. Now, as already we have discussed about the iterative statements, and I told you that iterative statement consists of two types, for loop and while loop. So we have discussed about the for loop. Now we will be discussing about the while loop. While loop is used to repeat a block of code as long as given condition is true. That means it will repeat the certain functions until the condition is true. It means as soon as the condition is false, it will stop. So things or functions are repeated until the condition is true. Once the condition is false, it will stop. So that is the main uh, function of work loop. Now what we do here in while loop, we take an initialized variable, we take some variable and we keep on incrementing or decrementing as per our requirements till we meet the false conditions. That means the things are being repeated. Like we can increment the things or we can decrement the things unless and until the condition is true. Once the condition is false, it will exit from the loop or it will stop. Now we will understand the while loop in more better way with the help of flowchart. At first we start, after that we initialize some variable and then we check for the condition. If the condition is true, the statement is executed and it is incremented, the value is incremented. This keeps on going until the condition is true. Once it see the false conditions, encounters the false condition, the statements after the uh, while loop will be executed and it will stop. So basically what happens, unless and until your condition is true, two things are being done. First is your statement set of while loop is executed and then it is incremented also. And once we encounter the false conditions, then it will execute the statements after the while loop and it will stop. This is the syntax of while loop. First, you will write the keyword while is your keyword. Then you will write the condition, any Boolean expression. Boolean expression means true or false, 0 or 1, and after that colon at the end of the while line. And then the statement of while block body. You can say while loop body statements is written here. So this is the syntax of the while loop in Python. Now, we will understand this while loop more with the example. Here it is asking for to write a program to print four natural number. That is your 1, 2, 3, 4 using while. So we have to print four natural number using while loop. So at first, what I told you, we need to initialize. So we have initialized I equals to 1. We have initialized I as a 1. Now while within a parenthesis bracket, we are checking the conditions I less than 5. That means we have to check if I is less than 5 and at the end we have written colon. Then we will print the statements if this condition is true and after that it is incremented also. Two parts are being done, like one statement is executed and then it is incremented also. So let's understand how this program is working. Now we have initialized I equals to 1. Now in while loop, it will check whether 1 is less than 5. So we will check 1 less than 5. Yes, this condition is true. So it will go inside the loop and it will print I. That means it will print 1. And now the value of I is your, it has been increased. Previously it was 1. So now 1 plus 1, it is uh, 2. So the now new value of I is 2. Now after printing 1, it will again go back here and it will check 2 is less than 5. So it will check 2 less than 5. Again, yes, the condition is true. So it will print the value 2. So 2 is printed and the value of I is increased by 1. That means I equals to 2 plus 1, that is your 3. So now the value of new value of I is 3. So two things has been done. One, the value statement has been executed. That means two values has been printed and the value of I is increased. So it is 3. So now again it will check. It will again go back here and it will check. While the condition is true, it will again check. So 3 less than 5. Yes, again the condition is true. So it will print the statement. That means 3 will be printed. And next, the value of I is increased. Now the new value of I is 3 plus 1, that is your 4. Now again it will check 4 less than 5. Yes, the condition is true. Same thing, statement will be printed. That means 4 is printed and the new value of I is 4 plus 1, that is your 5. So now the new value of I is 5. Now it will check after printing 4 and the value has been increased, value of I has been increased to 5. Now it will check again I less than 5, 5 less than 5. So this is not true. As soon as the condition is false, it exits from the loop. So this value is printed and in this way while loop works. I hope this program makes the concept of while loop more clear. These are the references which I have referred. Thank you for watching my video.